Hello everyone. Welcome to Giáo sư Thánh Tâm Basketball League. This is Trương Nguyễn, and I'm going to give you a quick tour on how to operate the Eguasoft Basketball Scoreboard Pro that we're going to use for this league. This is the scoreboard view going to be projected on the big screen projector in our gym. The heading, team name with logo, the time clock, shot clock, score, team foul, period, time out. There's going to be player's number with individual foul and score. Okay, I'm going to switch back to the control panel view, which one of the volunteers going to be sitting on the sideline around mid-court to control and input the score. And so it pretty much you can change the team name here, for example, right? And then this, you see it changing up there. Okay, I'm gonna pause the. So what you see is, and click on here, gonna show up on the scoreboard, and these are the players' number that you can change depending on the jersey's number and who playing and whatnot. Technically, you can indicating who's playing with these. Like you have 8 players, but only 5 playing. But I don't know if it's depend. You can use it or not. Doesn't matter. The most important thing is you gotta create a new game, and we have 2 half, 20 minutes each. This is the start button, and each of these buttons have the letter assigned it, so you can just hit the keyboard with the letter S instead of moving the mouse and click on here. Time correction. If you make some mistake, it's like you let the time running and there's a foul or something, we want to stop the clock and it's already past the time, so we want to, let's say it's already you can change it here, like I want the time now to be 15 minutes 10 seconds, and it's already ran down to 13 minutes, so I want to go back to 15, so I change that and hit here, and we'll change the clock to that. You can show the ball's possession, like like that, or you can just use the keyboard with the left and right arrow key, left and right, instead of clicking. What's next? Okay, switching gonna bring the whole team content over to the other side. This is after the half, the 2 teams switch sides, so you're gonna use this, and it's probably easy to give the team that's playing on your left, because you're gonna sit at mid-court. The team on your left gonna be on the left, and the team on the right. So it's easy for you to know who's scoring by just looking up there and who. Changing player's number, just simply type in the number, and then you can use tab to type like that. Okay, I'm gonna go back to 2 1. The shot clock, the bad thing about this is the setting doesn't allow us to set the clocks to be automatic. So it's like anytime, let's say the game is playing and Maverick score 2, I have 5 seconds to key in the numbers player, number 2, player number 2 score 2. It's gonna show up there, as well as on that scoreboard right here. But a shot clock doesn't seem to reset itself. That's kind of bad. So we probably just take it off This is setting just to take the completely off. If you make a mistake in giving the score to the team, you can make the correction by subtracting 1 at a time. I think it's easiest to just watch the game and make sure who's scoring how many points and enter at one time is faster. So let's say a player on Lakers side score 3 and that's number 5 score 3, so give that a 3 point and key in number 5. So it's going to be showing up here number 5 score 3. And if you make a mistake, you can just click on that, select number 5 and make the correction. But that's going to change the team too. Or you can also add the score by this way, like select who's scoring and how many points. Team foul, similar idea. Okay, Laker teams foul 1. Type in player's number who make the foul, and it should show up here. You can also use this to adjust individually, foul plus or minus. And at this moment in the setting is called like after one team foul by 5, the other team get a bonus free throw. And that can be changed in the setting, like how many foul will be the second bonus point. This is to get to a new period. No, well, let's just say yes. So it reset the whole the time clock and change the period as number 2, second period. If you want to give a timeout, let's just say the game is playing and you want to give a timeout, just select, okay, team on the left want to take a timeout. It's going to show up here that, okay, the timeout is going to be 60. And you can stop the clock, pause the clock, or you can just like right before that, okay, this is one timeout, it's gonna show up 60 seconds. This we can design and put it in the setting, and you just have to start. You're gonna pause the time clock and put a timer up there, and at the end gonna the horn gonna ring. So that's the timeout. Same thing as when the first half is finished. Okay, let me just pause that and that. Let's say the first half is finished. We want a 5-minute interval period. Just select that and start. So we have 5 minutes before the second half. Let's pause that. What else? Okay, one last thing. So when the game is finished, don't close this. All you have to do is, well, you're not going to see this anyway. This is going to be on the div screen. So what you see is actually this on a computer that you control, and just open up Share X, or it's going to be on here anyway, or it's already open, and minimize this. And we want to take a screenshot, capture the screenshot of the scoreboard view. So it takes screenshot of this, automatically put it on a place. Well, right now as a demo, it's gonna put it in the desktop. And this is it just take the screenshot of that, put it in the desktop, and I'm gonna have it like automatically upload on the internet, so I can have I can post it and record the score down, post it on the website. and it should look like this. Well, on the screen it look better. It's like even center. So instead of we have to write it down, the scores and all, or type it down, it's just a screenshot is better. So that's all there to it, and thank you all the volunteers who are gonna be operating the scoreboards, and happy basketball game. Alright, goodbye.